Hi, welcome back to the MaxLexiBot channel. Today, we're diving into an awesome way to use AI to create practice tests. Whether you're preparing for exams or just want to test your knowledge, AI can help you generate customized quizzes to enhance your studying experience. We'll explore everything from creating practice tests to printing options, and even running verbal quiz scenarios. Let's get started. First things first, you need to choose an AI tool that can generate quizzes. For this video, we'll use ChatGPT as an example, but there are other great tools out there, like Quizlet, Kahoot, and Quizbee. For example, if you want to generate a quiz on a topic like photosynthesis, you could simply enter a prompt like, "Create a 10-question multiple-choice quiz on photosynthesis." ChatGPT will instantly generate a set of questions for you. You can adjust the number of questions or change the type of questions depending on your needs. Now that we've got our questions, you can easily customize them to match the level of difficulty you want, or even add explanations for the correct answers. For example, if you're studying a topic like photosynthesis, you might want to add questions that dive deeper into the process or include diagrams. For example, here's a question: what is the main product of photosynthesis? You can ask the AI to change it to something more detailed, like, explain the role of chlorophyll in photosynthesis and how it affects plant growth. This makes the question more challenging and tests deeper understanding. Once your practice test is ready, you can print it out for offline use. AI tools like Google Docs or Word work perfectly for this. Just copy and paste your quiz into a document and print it. You can format your test however you like. Multiple choice, true, false, short answer, or even essay questions. For example, if you're testing knowledge on chemical reactions, you might ask a short answer question like, describe the law of conservation of mass during a chemical reaction. Once it's formatted, go to the File tab, select Print, and choose your printer. Simple as that. Now, if you'd rather not print your test and want to interact with it digitally, there are some really effective ways to do that as well. You can take the quiz you created and upload it to a platform like Google Forms. Tools like this allow you to create a fully interactive digital test. For example, Google Forms lets you set up multiple choice, short answer, and checkbox questions, and you can automatically grade the test once it's completed. Once you've added your questions, you can customize the quiz to automatically grade responses, provide feedback, and even set a time limit for a more realistic test experience. This makes the process super convenient and efficient, especially for those who prefer digital interaction. But what if you want to make your practice test more interactive? AI can also help with verbal quizzes or oral testing scenarios. Let's use voice assistants or verbal quiz tools like Google Assistant, Siri, or Alexa to quiz you out loud. For instance, you can say, "Hey Google, quiz me on the periodic table of elements." The assistant will then ask you a question verbally, and you can answer out loud. As you respond, the AI will give you feedback, helping you understand whether you were right or wrong. For a more advanced approach, let's use AI to create scenario-based tests. These types of tests can challenge you with real-world situations. For example, imagine you're preparing for an exam on ecology, and AI generates a scenario. You're a biologist studying a local ecosystem. How would you address the declining population of a species due to habitat loss? These types of questions require critical thinking and application of knowledge, making them a fantastic way to test problem-solving skills. After you've completed your quiz, it's time to analyze your results. I can also help you evaluate your answers. Some AI platforms allow you to enter your responses and will give you detailed feedback on which areas you need to improve. For instance, after finishing your quiz on Newton's laws of motion, you can ask the AI to explain why your answer to a specific question was incorrect. This feedback can guide your studying process. So, as you can see, AI is a fantastic tool for creating personalized practice tests. Whether you're printing them out for offline use, interacting with a digital version, or using a verbal quiz setup, the possibilities are endless. And with the ability to analyze your results and adjust your study techniques accordingly, AI is like having a personal tutor available 24/7. For teachers, using AI to create tests and quizzes can save you a ton of time and make your assessments more dynamic and personalized for your students. Let's say you're teaching a topic like cell division and need to quickly create a quiz for your students. Instead of manually writing out all the questions, you can use AI to generate multiple choice questions, true, false statements, or even short answer prompts. For example, you can prompt AI to generate a quiz by saying, "Create a quiz with 10 multiple choice questions on mitosis and meiosis for 9th grade biology students." The AI can then create a variety of questions that align with the learning goals of the lesson. AI tools like Google Forms, Quizlet, or Kahoot allow you to customize the quizzes even further by adding your own feedback for each question. This means you can give instant, automated feedback on students' answers, helping them learn from their mistakes right away. Once the quiz is ready, you can easily share it with your class digitally. Google Forms lets you send the quiz out via email or a class link, and it can automatically grade the responses for you. This allows you to focus more on teaching and less on grading. You can also customize the difficulty of the questions depending on the level of your students, ensuring that advanced learners get more challenging questions, while struggling students get questions that meet them where they are. So as you can see, using AI to create tests and quizzes is useful for both students and teachers. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI for your practice tests. See you next time.